There is limited direct coverage specifically labeled as non-governmental Ohio news for the dates July 29th to 30th, 2025. But from the available sources, here is a detailed summary of key non-profit and community-related news during this period. 1. Signal Ohio, a non-profit local news organization based in Cleveland, continues its mission to provide community-focused journalism across Ohio. It is described as a pioneering effort to revitalize community engagement through high-quality local reporting. The organization emphasizes empowering communities to shape their own narratives and support civic participation. This non-profit newsroom is part of a broader statewide effort to maintain independent journalism amid declining civic engagement in Ohio. 2. On July 29, 2025, an Ohio judge ruled that the state's private school voucher program is unconstitutional, as it violates the state constitution's requirement for a thorough and efficient system of common schools. Although the voucher program continues while the state appeals, this legal decision underscores ongoing debates about public education funding and access in Ohio, a topic of interest to many community and nonprofit education advocates. 2. United Way of Central Ohio announced its 2025 to 2026 funding cycle, approving over $5 million in grants to 68 nonprofits operating 88 programs focused on children and family support. Key aims include improving third-grade reading proficiency and addressing non-academic barriers to child success. Nearly half of the funded nonprofits are led by people of color, reflecting an emphasis on equity and community representation in nonprofit leadership. These programs run from July 2025 through June 2026 and target child well-being, family stability, and school safety core issues for nonprofit partners working to foster community well-being in Ohio. 3. On July 29th, a public safety work session was held in Springfield, Ohio. While this was a city government event, discussions referenced the challenges faced by public safety officers and emphasized collaboration and training to improve community safety. Although government-led, such sessions often involve input from nonprofit and community organizations concerned with public safety and community health. 4. Summary. The nonprofit and community sector in Ohio around July 29-30th, 2025, is actively engaged in journalism revitalization through Signal Ohio, legal and educational challenges tied to school voucher programs, significant investment in nonprofit child and family services via United Way funding, and ongoing public safety dialogues involving community stakeholders. These developments reflect the continued importance of independent news, nonprofit advocacy, and community-focused efforts addressing education, equity, and safety. No additional detailed nonprofit news specific to these exact dates was found beyond these points in the search results.